question 14. It says calculate the circumference of a circle with the radius being 4.7 cm. Now, circumference formula is as follows: 2 pi r. Now, r is equal to 4.7. So if I were to take this as 1, so therefore 1 can be rewritten as 2 times pi times 4.7. You multiply 2 with 4.7. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8 and 9. So 9.4 pi. Okay, so that is the circumference. Probably you can write units. Now, if they want a complete answer, you can take pi to be as approximately 3.14. So take 3.14 and you multiply by 9.4. So I'm just going to place the decimal later on. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 1s are 4, 5, 4 3s are 12, 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12, carry 1, 9 3s are 27, 28, 6, 11, 5, 9, 2. After 2 places you have a decimal, after 1 place you have a decimal, so 1, 2, 3. So the solution is 29.516. If they want you to give to 2 decimal places, 29.52. For 1 place, 29.5. And if they are asking you to round it, this can be written as 30. So there are different levels of solutions that I have given you for this. So based on the question's requirement, you can place the solution. Now you have question number 15. Without